In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and configure the quick start for Moltbot or Clawdbot on your computer. We'll move step by step, starting right from the website. Open the Moltbot or Clawdbot page in your browser. Once you're there, scroll down until you find the section labeled Quick Start. This section usually includes a ready-to-run command. Highlight that entire code snippet and copy it. This command is designed to set things up for you automatically, so grabbing it exactly as shown is important. Next, open your terminal. On Mac OS and Linux, you can use Terminal. On Windows, Command Prompt or PowerShell will work. In the terminal window, paste the code you just copied, then press Enter. As soon as you do that, the installer will begin running, download what it needs, and set up the project on your computer. This can take a little while depending on your connection and system, so be patient and let it finish. If you see messages scrolling by, that's normal. Just wait for the prompts. When the setup completes, you'll be prompted with a confirmation screen. Click Yes on the message that says, I understand. This is typically a safety acknowledgement that you know what's being installed and how it will be used. From here, you'll see a few guided choices. First, choose Quick Start. This option applies defaults that are ideal for getting up and running quickly. Next, choose Reset. This ensures a clean state, so the configuration is consistent and avoids conflicts with any previous settings. When asked for a provider, choose OpenAI. Then select the OpenAI API key option. You'll be prompted to enter your API key. Type your own OpenAI API key carefully. Keep this key private and never share it publicly. Treat it like a password. If you paste it, double check for any extra spaces before or after. After the key is accepted, you'll be asked to choose a model. Pick the model that best fits your needs. A general purpose model is great for most use cases. Finally, choose a channel. This is where your bot will communicate. Select the channel that aligns with where you plan to use it. That's the entire setup. If something doesn't look right, make sure your internet connection is stable and confirm you copied the quick start command exactly. Once you've completed these selections, your bot is installed, configured, and ready to go. You can now start using it in the channel you selected, and you can revisit settings later if you want to fine-tune your model or provider preferences.